and then the external auditory canal or the external acoustic meatus. ठीक है. If we look at the pinna, it is made up of the cartilage and only the lower part is made up of the skin. So this cartilage, the outermost rim or the curved part is called as the helix. Then you have the second turn of the cartilage, it is called as antihelix. ठीक है. In the center you have a tragus, which is not shown in the models. Opposite to that you have another elevation, antitragus. Deep down we have a fossa which is called as concha. Continued with the concha we have the external auditory canal or meatus. ठीक है. This canal is one third is bony and 2/3 is cartilaginous. ठीक है. It has small hairs and ceruminous and sebaceous glands into it. It is then connected to the middle ear, but in between them there is a partition which is called as tympanic membrane. The purpose of tympanic membrane is to vibrate once you receive the sound wave. This is the sound receiver, and once it is transmitted into the tympanic membrane, it produces vibrations in the bony ossicles and then relay it to the inner ear, where it is getting converted into a nerve impulse and move forward and perceive as sound. ठीक है. So this tympanic membrane, if we remove it, it has three parts. The outer part is concave and it is continuous with the external ear skin. The inner part is convex and it is continued with the middle ear cavity and has a mucus lining into it. In between the two, this is having a fibrocartilaginous or fibrous ring. ठीक है. Fibrous part भी इसमें. If we look at the other side of the tympanic membrane, this is the handle of the malleus which gets attachment in the center. ठीक है. Opposite to it, the part where it gets attached is called as the umbo. ठीक है. The handle of the malleus is further having the two parts, short process and a long process, which gets articulated with the incus. Incus has three parts, from which gets articulated with the stapes. The stapes has a head, has a neck, and has a foot plate. So this foot plate goes to attach to the oval window. Very good. And where the foot plate attaches, it is called as, आगे क्या बढ़ जाता है? Once you look at the inner ear, you have two parts, the semicircular canals, and this is the cochlea. Very good. The cochlea bears exactly from the inner ear. They are showing you the formation of the cochlear nerve. ठीक है. So this is the cochlear nerve from the cochlea, and the vestibular nerve from the semicircular canals and the vestibule. They go hand in hand with each other to join, to pass through the, कहाँ से गुजरती है? Very good. Internal acoustic meatus से आपके पास 7th और 8th cranial nerve जा रही है. Eustachian tube एक ट्यूब है जो कनेक्ट कर रही है to the कौन सा पार्ट? Nasopharynx. ठीक है. Other than that you have two muscles. Arising from the upper part of the bony canal is the tensor tympani. Very good. And from the lower part is the tensor villi palatini muscle. This is the one which is going to open the eustachian tube, and this tensor tympani is going to attach to the handle of the malleus to control the excessive oscillation of the tympanic membrane. Which is this artery? This artery. Internal carotid. ठीक है.